Welcome back everybody to another video. Today we're working on a Sportsman 110. This will be the same on the Outlaw 110. Pretty much all the 110cc Polarises will be the same for this. We're going to change a spark plug. I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. Not very hard. All of you should be able to do it. Save some money. Don't be paying any shop to do this. It's literally going to be like 5 minutes. And I'm going to take you through step by step. So like, share, subscribe, and let's get into it. First, you're going to need a spark plug. It's a CR6HSA. Looks like this little cute guy right here. Grab a 5/8 spark plug socket. If you want, put the e-brake on, the rear tires. Grab your jack up the front of this thing. It'll make it a lot easier to get your fat adult arms into here. Here's a spark plug wire. So all you're going to do is grab this guy, pull it, it'll slide off. There's a spark plug. So now you grab your little spark plug socket. It's 5/8, remember? And you're going to do lefty-loosey. Shouldn't be crazy tight, unless maybe you're in some place where it rusts really bad. And take it out by hand. Grab the new spark plug. If you want, you can throw some anti-seize on the threads. You're just going to start it by hand. It should almost thread all the way in by hand. If it doesn't, you're cross-threading it. So take it back out, try again. But we just go in here. And if it's easier to grab, just grab the spark plug socket. But still do it by hand. Should be able to run it all the way down like that. And then we're going to grab our ratchet. We're going to put it onto righty-tighty. And you're just going to tighten this down. Now what you're not going to do is torque the crap out of this, because you're going to rip the threads. What you are going to do is grab the wrench all the way at the top and give it a little oomph, and it's done. Do not grab it at the bottom of the wrench. You'll put way too much torque on it, or get a torque wrench and torque it yourself. Pretty much the last step is to grab the spark plug wire. Get it? You should hear it do that little rubbing metal sound. Try to pull it off, and it should be on there nice and tight. It shouldn't just slide off. And that job is done. That's all there is to it. Hopefully this video saved you some money. Hopefully it got you and your kid a chance to work on the quad together. And yeah, if you like this, check out some more videos. I got videos coming out once a week. So subscribe if you want to see those. Till next time, wrench on.